Making sense of countable and uncountable nouns in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of countable and uncountable nouns in English. Remember, mastering these will drastically improve your grammar and help you express yourself more accurately. Let's start at the very beginning. Countable nouns, as the name suggests, are things that we can count. We can have 1, 2, 3 or many. For example, dogs, books, or cars. Uncountable nouns, on the other hand, are things that we cannot count because they are often seen as wholes or mass. These include water, music, or information. Now, let's look at some examples of countable nouns. Think about things you can quantify easily. We can have 3 apples, 100 pens, or millions of stars. So, apples, pens, and stars are all countable nouns. Uncountable nouns can be a little trickier to grasp. They often represent things that are hard to divide or count directly. For instance, we can't say we have 3 rains. We can, however, talk about having some rain. Other examples include rice, knowledge, and happiness. Usage is key. Remember that countable nouns can usually be used with a number or the articles a and n. For example, I have 2 dogs, or I saw an apple in the kitchen. Uncountable nouns are used without a number or article, or they can be used with some, much, a lot of, a little. For instance, I drank some water, or she has a lot of knowledge. And there you have it, a swift introduction to countable and uncountable nouns in English. We hope this helps make these concepts clearer for you, and remember, practice is key. Keep learning, keep practicing, and you'll master these in no time. Until next time, happy language learning.